Hello guys, what's up? So we'll begin our discussion with this scalability and availability. So this is an important section for ones who want to learn the load balancing part. Okay, so before we dive deep into the load balancing part, so let's first understand what is scalability and what is availability. So okay, let's try to understand this thing. So for scalability, okay, for scalability there are two types. Okay, first one is vertical, okay, and the second one is horizontal. Okay, so let's take a example to understand these things. Okay, so for vertical scalability, okay, let us suppose you are running a business, okay, and you have hired a particular person who is capable of handling 5 calls a day. Okay, so for business perspective, he is capable of handling 5 calls a day. Okay, but as you begin, okay, as you growing in your business, now what you did is that your business is growing well. Now you want to upgrade your department, or you can say that this person who is attending these calls, you want to have an upgraded person. So what you did, you replace this person with the person who is capable of handling 10 calls. Okay, so you replace this person who is capable of handling 10 calls because your business is growing. So now he is good manager. Okay, so from junior to senior you have switched, but the cost is also increased. Okay, so this is an experienced person, so based upon the experience he cost more. Okay, so you upgraded. In the similar fashion, when you have an EC2 instance running, okay, let us suppose as of now your web application or your software is giving only one service. Okay, only one service. Now after some time you come up with lot of services. Okay, so let us suppose your one service is capable of handling 2 GB RAM. Okay, now when you decided to increase a more service, so from one you launched 5 services. Okay, but the EC2 instance you also need to upgrade, because so much of processing, how can it be done in 2 GB RAM? You want to upgrade that thing. Okay, so for that you have increased the EC2 instance storage to 8 GB. Got it? So you have scaled it vertical. So this is known as vertical, means upgradation you did. Okay, don't take this example. This is for layman part. Okay, so that is the basic thing that you need to understand. Okay, now let's discuss about the horizontal part. Okay, what is horizontal scaling? So let us suppose you are having a person capable of handling for 5 calls. Okay, same example. Now your business grows, so you hired another person. Okay, instead of firing, you hired another person who is also capable of handling 5 calls. Okay, so it is good, na? Good sign, na? If someone fails, okay, if he go into holiday, then this person is available. If this person is on holiday, this person is available. Okay, so vice versa you can see. Okay, but in this you are having only one service, and your traffic is increased. Just understand the difference. Okay, in this you have the same. Okay, let us suppose your EC2 instance is capable of handling 5 requests at a time. Okay, but you are getting 15 requests which this EC2 instance is not capable of handling. So what it will do, it will horizontally scale up. Okay, horizontally scale up means it will increase, so that individual EC2 instance can capable of handling 5 requests each. Okay, so this is what horizontal scaling means, because this is only one request, but you are scaling for more requests. Here you need to upgrade it to a particular level, because earlier you have one request, now you have more services to offer. So you want to increase the quality in the business. Okay, here it is more, you have only one service, but your requests are a lot of requests you gain. Okay, so this is a difference between what is horizontal and vertical. Got it? Okay, now let's come to the theoretical section. Okay, so let's see what is scalability. So we can see application or system can handle greater loads by adapting. So for this, we want horizontal and vertical scaling. These are the two types. So for horizontal, increasing the size of the instance means from 2 GB we move to 8 GB. We increase the size of the instance. Okay, so for basically why we need vertical, these are only for non-distributed system. Okay, let us suppose you have a database. Okay, the common example for non-distributed is that you have a database. Okay, so earlier your storage capacity is 500 GB. Okay, now you want to upgrade it to 1 TB because this is not enough for your storage, so you have upgraded vertically. Okay, modifying. So for that, okay, whatever customization you want to do in terms of the resources, just keep this point, remember that it is vertical scalable. Okay, for horizontal, okay, increasing the number of instances or systems for the application. Okay, this is known as horizontal scaling, and it is for distributed system. Okay, for a web application, you want to increase the more availability of your this web application, so you increase the EC2 instance. Got it? Very simple. Okay, so now let's see what is availability. Okay, so you can see here, okay, running your applications or system at least 2 regions. Okay, so let me, don't go to this. Okay, in horizontal scaling, what we do, we increase the number of instances. Okay, when we increase the number of instances in different region, let us suppose this horizontal scale is in USA. Okay, this is in UK, this is in you can say that Japan. Okay, and this is in India. Okay, so you can say that different instances are in different regions, so you scale the instances region wise. Okay, make this point, then it is known as availability. So what happen is, let us suppose in Japan, due to some natural calamity, this data warehouse goes down, but we have USA, UK and India available, so those people can able to access these web application through these you can say that instance type. Okay, these EC2 instance they can able to access. Why? Because one thing you need to remember is that although the you can say that there might be delay, okay, but you can able to access the application, it would not stop. Have you seen that Facebook is down worldwide? Means Facebook is down worldwide? No, because Facebook is down in some regions, because all the you can say that region is having its own EC2 instance. So if some instance is down in USA, okay, you can able to capable of accessing UK EC2 instance, or you can say India EC2 instance. Okay, because that is local, but your processing time is increased because there is a latency, okay, in the network, because it is, if you are in let us suppose USA and you are firing UK site, so it will take, okay, it will take some time to get the response get executed. That is why we are saying that Facebook is down. Okay, so I hope you get an idea. I hope each and everything is clear. So goes hand in hand. So with the horizontal scaling, and it is used to prevent the data loss. Very important point. Okay, for your exam perspective and for your interview perspective. Okay, I hope this thing is clear, guys. Okay, we'll see you in the next. Happy learning.